Well, guys. My name's Jake Mercure, and I am an American Express enthusiast, right? I just love their credit cards. Isn't it amazing? Unfortunately, they've messed something up in my strategy, specifically the sign-up bonus structure, and now I've got to figure out a way to get around that. I got to figure out which credit card makes the most sense for me because I am at 424. Isn't that a great time to be? It's just on the edge of leaving Chase forever and venturing off into one of the best credit card issuers there is on the market today, American Express. American Express, guys, they're just playing with our heads and playing with our strategies here. We're not sure what to do after all these changes. And it's a little difficult because now when you go ahead and, open up a sign-up bonus offer and you'll see right on the page, it'll say you can earn more than 80K points or up to 150K points. And I'm not sure what this means, okay? I am just not sure. I'm not sure what's going to happen if I go ahead and sign up with that whatever offer is on there. Am I going to get 80K points? Or am I going to get 0 points because I'll be stuck in pop-up jail? Who knows? All I know is that I don't want to settle for anything less than 150K points because I have been staring 150K points in the face for the last 4 months, just scared to apply because Just scared to apply because I want to apply so bad, but I've been working on other credit card bonuses at the moment, and now this time is here. It's time for me to try it, and I'm not going to try it in this video because honestly, I have some more options I'm thinking about getting. Well, since the Amex Platinum is causing a lot of problems for me recently, I don't know if I want to get that card right away, but I have a few ideas, okay? And one of them, you might think of this too, is a business card. Why not get a business card? You know what I mean? Because that wouldn't count towards my 524. And then I can stay competitive in Chase. I can do whatever I need to do with Chase for the year 2024. If anything cool comes out, maybe like a World of Hyatt 2 or like a World of Hyatt Luxury. You know what I mean? Like, so what if Hyatt drops some new crazy luxurious card? Because I know they're making a lot of changes to their loyalty right now. And I think that's quite interesting to say the least. But I could get a business card like the Blue Business Plus or maybe a Chase Ink. I mean, inks are always good. Getting 90,000 points is always something that anyone could do, The only thing that is halting me about that card is, unfortunately, I just can't spend $6,000 in 3 months. I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm pretty normal, I think, but I can't spend $6,000 that quick. And I tried, okay? I tried earlier this year with another 90K on the Ink Unlimited. Oh, man, did I get myself a little bit of headache, okay? I had to go buy some Amazon gift cards to cover the rest. And I just finished burning those up a couple months ago when I moved on furniture and random stuff. I'm not random stuff, I'm not here trying to promote random Amazon shopping, but I also got my groceries through Amazon. So it was, it was kind of okay, but I don't want to do that again, I don't think it'd be a good idea. But unfortunately, that Blue Business Plus return on spend is so trash, bro. Like 15,000 membership rewards points for spending $3,000 in 3 months. I don't even know if that's worth it either. Like I think it's a good card, but I know. I just don't know if it's worth it. Well, since I need to start gardening my 524 status like a fully automatic wheat farm in Minecraft, I think I gotta find some sort of business card to get. It's gotta be something. I can't go over 524. I'm just too nervous, guys. I am too nervous, okay? And hey, I think I'm probably actually gonna go over 524, just not yet, okay? Not yet. I want to maybe get over there, maybe like sometime in the spring of next year. But here's the thing, okay? Wells Fargo. Yes, Wells Fargo. Aren't they something else, aren't they? They're just coming up here into the credit card game, messing up the market, and honestly, they're doing some interesting things, okay? I think their transfer partner drop on December 10th, that's going to be game-changing, okay? Who knows? What if it's like the Built transfer partners, It could be the new Wells Fargo trifecta with the Built MasterCard or a Wells Fargo bifecta sidekick Built MasterCard. You know what I mean? Like that could be a freaking fire setup. I don't know what transfer partners are going to have, but hey, that's a 2x back credit card. And what is the other one? Active Cash? Well, the two credit cards that come with the Wells Fargo bifecta are definitely pretty sick. And I want them if the transfer partners are good. So whatever I do right now, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the transfer partners to drop. I don't want to wait for too long because, hey, the credit card market changes quickly, okay? It changes really quickly. But we're going to see what happens with Wells Fargo, and I might want to get those cards. The only problem with getting those cards is I'm going to be so freaking far into 524. I'm going to be at 724 if I do that. I'm going to be maybe at 824 if I get the Platinum 2. So, am I going to dig this hole? I don't know. It might be worth it, though. It just might be worth it because I really don't see myself getting another chase card. I just don't really see any other interesting chase cards at the moment, I mean, it's cool. I want to leave room open for maybe that off chance that Hyatt decides to step into the luxury game and make some really amazing credit card. But hey, I can't play my game you can't play the game based on a bunch of speculative cards that are probably not even going to happen. Who knows what's going to happen, guys? But all I know is that I want as much value as I can, and I want to keep working on sign-up bonuses because, hey, that is the best way to get value. It just is the best way to get value. And I think American Express is going to have to become my friend. Even though I really don't like them at the moment, there's going to be only American Express cards kind of available to me over 524 because I already messed around with Capital One, and if I go with the Wells Fargo cards, there's that. But hey, the rest of the other competitive cards are mostly American Express. Well, I just got to do that. But not all cards are American Express here in the credit card market, and I found one that is very interesting. Very, very interesting. And I want to say, first of all, guys, I'm kind of a train guy. I'm not going to lie. I started to get into trains this year, like taking subways and shit, you know what I mean? Like I don't know why, but I've been taking a lot of Amtrak recently. And yeah, here we're going to Amtrak, okay? Yeah, that's right, guys. There's an Amtrak credit card, 30,000 Amtrak points. I could get that credit card. It's pretty good. And honestly, it's $99 annual fee, elevated sign-up bonus of 30K Amtrak points at 2.6 cents per point. It's worth $800 freaking dollars. $800 sign-up bonus. And this, dude, the bank is, what is it? First National Bank of Omaha? Something like that. It's really, really out there. Like this credit card is pretty interesting, but it really applies to me, okay? I think that I could get a lot of value from this card. And it's something that, maybe you other nor'easter people, you take Amtrak every once in a while on the Northeast Corridor, go to Boston, maybe go upstate or maybe to Vermont. I don't know. Go to Philly. Why not? I think it's worth it. I've been doing that pretty often, and that's a hell of a credit card to get. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I got for today. Hope you guys all have a good day. Take it easy. Bye.